Today, the TLC team is in Pasadena installing a new lawn sprinkler system. With over 18 zones, this lawn sprinkler system will be an efficient, automated alternative to other common yard watering options. The team will be installing all piping, valves, and sprinkler heads with minimum disturbance to the yard. TLC is installing a HydroWise Wi-Fi smart lawn sprinkler controller that allows you to make adjustments to your lawn sprinkler system by using your smartphone. TLC will also be installing a wireless rain sensor which will help save hundreds on the customer's water bill. TLC is still operating as normal and can complete these services in a safe, healthy, and community-conscious manner. The spring season is officially here, and your yard deserves to look its best. For more information, call or click TLC Incorporated today.